Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro dollar, I'm definitely still very bullish on this. I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going up. I still believe it is most likely going to go up and take out these highs. I believe it's going to end up looking something like that, making some sort of a five-way pattern to the upside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I see that we definitely have been going down, but I actually think that this move down is just a subdivision. I think there's a good chance that, yeah, it probably will make a higher low and it probably will just keep on trending up. I still think this is a one. I still think this is an expanding flat wave two, and I still believe we're in a wave three. Maybe it's a one of three, a two of three, and a wave three of three, but either way, I do believe we're in a wave three, and I believe overall that it will continue the uptrend. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we had that big push down that we've been waiting for finally. I still think this first push down is very likely to be an A. I think this is a B, and I think that this push down is most likely a C. Now, it for sure could take out the low of wave 4 going down to the 61.8, but I think that the 50% is also a very likely area, so we definitely want to watch that area for a bounce, especially if we get a break of structure, because that should be the end of this correction, probably the end of a wave 1, the end of a wave 2, and eventually going up for that wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still think that this is very clearly a downtrend wave A. I think this is an A, B, C of wave B. Now we are pushing down pretty hard, which I think is actually part of a wave C. Now I have my Fibonacci extension on here too, because most likely place for a wave C to normally go is 100%. So I think that we have a decent amount of downside potential. I mean, it possibly could go to the 78.6 and turn there. But either way, I think we have a decent amount of downside potential, and I think that we need to continue to look for sorts in a downtrend. Most likely, this is a wave C of wave 2 based on the higher time frames. Going down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we finally got that big push down, like I was saying. Actually, in hindsight, I mean, there was a couple pretty decent little ABC corrections right here. There was three waves up there, three waves up there. There was actually even three waves up here today, early this morning. So I wouldn't be surprised, especially because we're pushing down on these lows, that if we did not start to push up this afternoon. But I think there's a very good chance that it's just going to be another correction, probably just another ABC three-way pullback. So for me, at least, I am definitely ignoring anything to the upside, and I am for sure looking for sorts at the end of pullbacks, hopefully for the continuation of this downtrend, which I believe to be a wave C, most likely a wave C of wave 2 based on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.